been saying I've been craving pumpkin, so I'm gonna try out the new Trader Joe's pumpkin empanadas. Let's just say we're going for taste and not looks, okay? All right, here's the filling. Still really, really hot. Hot. Oh, hot. It's hot. It's not my thing. It tastes very spiced. Like if you like spiced thing, I'm trying to like pinpoint the exact spice. If you like those warm spices, maybe it's like the star anise or some nutmeg or something. I bet it says it on the box, but if you like that, I think you would like this. It's not a bad flavor, it's just not my flavor. So, I don't know, 4 out of 10. You know what that flavor is? It's cloves. It's good in moderation, but I'm not a cloves fan. Oh, I feel hot. Oh.